The Bespoke AI Laundry Combo has highly customizable cycles to care for any load of laundry. Selecting a cycle is the start to customized care. Different cycle presets are best for certain fabrics, soil levels, and load sizes. For more about what makes the cycles different, check out the user manual. Once you've selected the right cycle, there may be a few more options to dial in the perfect laundry routine. The wash section of the cycle might have temperature, spin, soil level, detergent amount, softener amount, extra rinse, and bubble soak. These would mainly affect how gently or thoroughly your laundry gets cleaned. The drying process might have dryness, dry time, dry prep, or wrinkle prevent options. These settings might affect how dry the clothes feel at the end of a load. More complete option details are available in the user manual. Note that adjusting wash and dry settings may change the duration of the cycle. You can find a few more options in the additional dry menu, including EcoDry. EcoDry is designed to dry laundry more efficiently. Just remember that it might also affect how dry your load feels. Exploring these settings will help you to select the ones that are right for the laundry from your lifestyle.